Hair turbans were a very popular fashion accessory during the 1940s. All you need to recreate these styles is a long scarf. To contain your hair and prevent frizz, you can wear a hairnet, but don't forget to pull that front section back. Start by centering your scarf at the nape of the neck and form a knot, tucking in the back section. Now you can begin to create more knots towards the back and towards the front, as loose or as tight as you like, and folding in those end sections. You can adjust and reposition where needed, and also use bobby pins in the back if you feel it slipping. For the next style, you can begin with the same knot and crisscross those end pieces, tucking them into the sides. To create a heart shape, roll up those ends and tuck them into the side pockets. To create a half turban, you can fold your scarf or use a narrower fabric. Create those knots and tuck in the sides. The same as in the first style, only the back will be opened, creating more of a headband look. Let me know which turban style was your favorite.